Oh, it already does? Oh! Smells like my uncle's bed sheets. Oh man, I feel like it's gonna run. It's gonna run towards us.
My family's always been in meat. We used to work at the slaughterhouse. All us souls.
I feel like it's gonna jump at us. Oh, okay. We're going in. Oh, look at these heads. Meat heads. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh.
They're crazy! You gotta make them stop!
It's your misfortune.
Oh my God! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God! We're right in front of. Oh! Exit. There's an exit. Yeah. Oh. Look at his face. Oh, geez. Oh no. Smells nasty in here. Oh, he took his face off. He took his face off. Dust. Oh no. Damn, it stinks so bad in here. It smells like breath. Oh!
Leatherface, don't you make more love for me?
There's something in here. Oh. Oh my God. Cooper and Henkel. Oh God! Oh my gosh! Oh my Oh, this is not good. Oh, this is not good. It hurts. It's scary. Oh, dude. Oh, jeez, I'm sweating. Oh my gosh. I need to go. Oh my God, his bones hanging down. So she said, oh.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre. One of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American chainsaw. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The Texas Chainsaw.
Oh my god! Oh jeez, what was that? Oh, that scared me. That scared me a lot. Something fell on my back. Oh, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. No.